Hello and welcome. This is Learn SAP Cloud Platform Workflow Professional Development. Now, in this course, we will be starting with basic about SAP Cloud Platform and how workflow is inbuilt in the SAP Cloud Platform. We have covered workflow from a 360-degree angle. From a basic, we will start creating a simple workflow which we execute and monitor. And then we understand how to add a UI5 app, how to make our workflow communicate with HANA database or other third-party database. We will not only dig with the details, but we will be also seeing how the best practices are if you want to create your own workflow for productive use. This course will not only provide you a deep understanding of workflow and how to work with workflow and all the features which revolves around workflow, but also act as a developer guide, video developer guide to help you in your projects. We have taken care of not only the simple parts, but also the complicated parts, keeping in mind how the complexity will improve or increase when you work in your real life project. I hope that we are able to cover workflow in a proper manner so you don't find any difficulties if you learn from this course and go ahead in your real world and try to implement workflow for your customer or your partners. My name is Ajanayak and I will be teaching you workflow in this course from basic to intermediate to advanced. So join me in this course and I would like to see you in this course.